Good day, Professor. My name is Hanajoy Vertusha, and today I will be representing a strategic analysis of Dollarama, and it is one of the Canada's leading discount retailer. And for today's agenda, first I will provide a quick introduction, the analysis, recommendation, conclusion, and the references. So for the overview of Dollarama, it was founded in 1992 by Larry Rossi in Quebec, and it has grown into one of the Canada's most recognized discount retailers. Its mission is to provide or to offer customers with quality products at a low prices. So today, Dollarama operates over 1,600 stores across Canada and sell a wide range of products, including cleaning supplies, household goods, food, party supplies, and of course, seasonal items. And for this slide, it shows how Dollarama has expanded significantly over time from a single store in Quebec to more than 1,600 locations across Canada. So this growth shows the company's strong market presence, and I know many of you would ask or confused about how this company has grown so much while selling products for just around $1. How do how do they achieve that? So Dollarama makes only a small profit on each item, but they sell a lot. This they buy products cheaply, keep store cost low, and offer a lot of affordable items, so people keep on coming back. So this is how the company keeps growing. And for the highlight of this case study, I will be using the SWOT analysis because it will help to understand the company's position, to find areas to improve, and of course, to plan strategies for a better growth. So now let's start with the strength. So Dollarama's brand is well recognized and trusted across Canada. So its large store network and convenient location make it easy for customers to shop. The company also offers a wide range of products at low prices, and it has an efficient supply chain, allowing it to maintain affordability while still earning profits. So these strengths helps Dollarama to maintain its position as a leader in the discount retail market. And for the weaknesses, Dollarama relies heavily on imported products, making it vulnerable to currency fluctuations and supply chain problems. Because most products are priced between $1 and $5, profit margins are relatively low, which can be challenging when cost rises. Finally, compared to other competitors, Dollarama online shopping presence is still limited, which is a weakness in today's growing digital retail world. And of course, there are also some exciting opportunities for Dollarama. The company can contribute expanding internationally, especially after acquiring Dollar City in Latin America and the Reject Shop in Australia. Developing its e-commerce platform and adding delivery services can also help to attract more customers. Finally, um, offering sustainable and eco-friendly products would strengthen the brand and attract environmentally conscious shoppers. And for the threats, Dollarama faces threats from strong competitors like Walmart, Costco, and Dollar Tree, which also target budget-conscious consumers or shoppers. Rising costs due to inflation and supply chain disruptions make it harder to keep prices low. Additionally, changing shopping habits like Swift toward online shopping and demand for eco-friendly products require the company to keep on innovating. And yeah, to stay competitive, Dollarama should need to focus on these three main recommendations. First, first they should go online, build a strong e-commerce platform, and partner with delivery services to attract more customers. The second one is get products from more places. So it will help to reduce dependence on imports by sourcing from different countries or local suppliers to avoid some risk. And the third one is add eco-friendly items. So it will expand into a sustainable products to appeal to environmentally conscious shoppers. These steps can also help Dollarama to grow while still maintaining or staying relevant to changing um, customer needs. And yeah, so this is my references. And thank you so much for your attention. Dollarama's success story shows how affordability and convenience can build a strong brand. And before this presentation ends, I want to leave this quote to those who wants to become a business owner someday. Selling more, not charging more, can lead to a great success. So once again, this is Hannah Joy Bertuccio. Thank you so much and have a good day.